Good day everyone, welcome to this Bootstrap series course. We'll be diving into what is grade system. A grade system allows us to properly house our website's content. It divides the screen into multiple rows and columns that can be used to create various type of layouts. Bootstrap grade system allows up to 12 columns across the page. If you don't want to use all 12 columns individually, you can group the columns together to create wider columns. Now we'll be talking about container. Container 2 is also under grade system. The container class is used if we have a responsive fixed width layout when well in max width change with the breaking point, and it take 80% of its parent width. Types of containers: fixed container and fluid container, and we have responsive containers. So let's just dive into our Bootstrap site. So we'll go to breakpoints first. So I'll be explaining breakpoints. Now breakpoints are customizable widths that determines how your responsive layout behaves across device. So we'll just be jumping very fast on this. So available breakpoints. Now Bootstrap includes 6 default breakpoints, sometimes referred to as a grade ties, for building responsively. Those breakpoints can be customized if you are using source SAS files. So now we have breakpoints and class, infix, and dimensions. Now extra small, the extra small is XS. So this is it. We have small, which is SM. We have medium, we have large, we have extra large, we have SS large. So before now I will be showing something on my Bootstrap, on my browser. Sorry. So if you can notice very well about it, I'll be increasing this. Actually giving me what I want, but it's okay like this. Now if you really notice, this is, let's count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It's 12 actually. So now I want to actually make this 100% so you can see. Now it's 12. If you can see, we have column SSL1. It's just that my browser is not that big enough. Now that SS that is an extra large one. This is it. If you can see, the screen is very large. That is for that. So if I reduce it, are you seeing? Now the SL is 2. Let me come again and do 100%. Now if you can see, in the wider screen we have SS, which is 1. And if you notice, if you remember that when we read about our grade system takes 12 columns. That is the maximum, 12 columns. When we enlarge this, if you see 1, if you count 1 to 12, do you see SS large 1 1 1 1 into 12 places? That is the result. This is the result. And if I move it now, do you see that it's giving us on that one? You see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now if you can see, now is in another dimension screen, which is the SL, which is the extra large screen. Now if you can see the extra large screen, let me just zoom in and let us just view the number. If you can see the extra large screen, that is core SL is 2. Now 2, when it is in 50, it's 6. Now 2 times 6, it will give us 12. Please, I just want you to get this logic. It will give us 12. Now we'll move again. Now this is in LG, which is in large. Now if you can't, large, now let's zoom in and see that the large is what? 3. Now let's go back to our 50. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4, it will give us 12. Are you seeing it? Now the next one is median, which is, if you can see, core MD4, that is median. Now if you count 1, 2, 3, it's giving us, let me take this to 100. Now okay, we can see it very well now because of this, the normal screen. Now can you see 1, 4 is giving us 1, 2, 3. 3 times 4, it will give us 12. So let me move again. Now this is where our small comes in. Now the small is 6. Are you seeing? That is 6 plus 6, it will give us 12. So let's do the last one, which is the XS. Are you seeing? It's 12. It's actually 12. Are you seeing now? That's just the concept behind this. So I'll be ending this here. So we are still in grade system series, so we'll be talking more about it. So I'll be ending this here, so we'll dive into the next one. So thank you for joining me, and don't forget to join me in the next series.